close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer data from iPhone to Android by using a cable. As you can see, this is our cable, one side of Android and one side of iPhone. So what you have to do, first step is to connect it to iPhone, and you connect it to Android. So you have to check for this option in your Android. You have to check for this option. Connect it to iPhone. You tap. You choose MTP host. So you have to go back to your iPhone and allow to access, allow this device to access photos and videos. After allowing, the file will be sent in this Android. The file will be seen here. All what you have to do is to refresh. This is the file. So it means that all of the videos and audios and photos from this iPhone are transferred to this Android. As you can see, you see all of them. All of them. So what you have to do is to copy to my phone. So that is how you transfer data from iPhone to Android. Okay guys, all what you have to do is keep on subscribing my channel so that you can get more videos.